5.1 magnitude earthquake strikes the Bay Area in California, LA, Seven Trees, California, 4 miles deep. I saw this like 10 minutes ago, but I didn't realize it was such a big deal until now, because I was really looking for a tsunami warning. But in this area, I'm sure there's a lot of shaking going on. I'm not sure about any damage, but yeah, California just experienced a 5.1 magnitude earthquake here in the United States. If you felt it, let me know in the comment down below. And please give me a thumbs up. It's October 25th, 2022. And thank you very much for watching.